Backing up your iPhone to iCloud ensures you keep all valuable data. iCloud offers a convenient way to store and access your device's files, but other solutions can be just as helpful in safeguarding your data. If you're looking for ways to back up iPhone without iCloud, there are a few steps. Back up iPhone without iCloud via iTunes. Backing up your iPhone to a computer via iTunes is another way to back up without using iCloud. It's relatively simple, and you can use the same USB cable that came with your device. Part 3. Back up your iPhone without iCloud via Finder. If you use a Mac, you can back up your iPhone without iCloud via Finder in macOS Catalina or later. All you need is a Lightning cable, the computer you sync with, and an internet connection. Part 4. Back up iPhone without iCloud via Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a powerful iTunes alternative that enables you to back up, transfer, edit, and manage your device's data on either PC or Mac. Step 1. Easily pair your iPhone with your computer for a seamless experience. Step 2. Choose the files you require. Step 3. Best way to back up iPhone without iCloud storage. You can also use Assistant for iOS to back up iPhone to iTunes in one click. To achieve this, click Super Toolkit from the top interface. Choose iTunes Backup and Restore, and then Backup. Select a device to back up and pick a location to save the items. Finally, tap OK to commence. Part 5. Back up your iPhone without iCloud via Google Drive. Google Drive offers one of the best cloud storage solutions available today. It is a great way to back up your iPhone data without using iCloud.